Is it time to buy or sell the XLE ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into the XLE. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of March, 2025, our system has ranked XLE as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.1. Let's take a closer look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time. The exchange-traded fund has encountered natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 4.6%. This equates to an average return of 1.53% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The exchange-traded fund exists within a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2.61% to positive 8.5%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 4.64%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between negative 14.28% and positive 0.25% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $78.17 and $91.42. Our latest daily update for XLE includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for XLE as ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. The XLE ETF price gained 1.59% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, rising from $89.76 to $91.19. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.08%, with a low of $89.74 and a high of $91.61. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 578,000 shares, with a total of 15 million shares traded for approximately $1.35 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $98.97, while the lowest price was $82.75. Currently, the price is 7.86%, or $7.78, below the 52-week high of $98.97, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The energy sector, represented by the XLE, is navigating a complex landscape as we approach the year 2025. Recent commentary indicates a potential sharp decline in oil prices if the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, or SPR, is not replenished. This situation reflects a broader correction in the energy market that began earlier this year, which may signal a looming recession. Short-term challenges, such as demand slowdowns and geopolitical tensions, are contributing to volatility. Despite the current pressures, there is optimism about long-term prospects. Analysts highlight that while the current administration's efforts to refill the SPR have been slower than anticipated, the underlying fundamentals, like the resilience of U.S. producers, remain robust. The ongoing shift in market sentiment from high-price-to-earnings sectors to the more stable energy domain may also serve as a catalyst for recovery. The XLE's strong dividend yield presents a compelling case for income-seeking investors, particularly during turbulent periods. While energy stocks have faced recent sell-offs, there is speculation that this could represent a buying opportunity. In both the short and long term, the performance of the XLE will largely depend on geopolitical developments and domestic production dynamics. A successful strategy to boost oil supply could stabilize prices and support recovery, ultimately enhancing the appeal of energy stocks as investment vehicles. Thus, while immediate volatility remains, the potential for long-term growth exists, shaped by market recoveries and strategic policy developments. The following signals have been identified for XLE. The XLE ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels $88.40 and $89.33. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, March 5, 2025, and since then, the ETF has risen by 6.41%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. The ETF warrants close monitoring. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact near-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently being indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for XLE. XLE finds support from accumulated volume at $87, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the past day, the ETF moved $1.87, or 2.08%, between its high and low. In the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.27%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for XLE. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for XLE is at $91.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, XLE encounters its first support level at $87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $87.67, reflecting a decrease of 3.86%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, contributing to a lower risk profile. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is the XLE ETF a good buy? The XLE ETF shows several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be seen as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Given some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation of this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate position. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of March, we anticipate that the XLE ETF will open lower by approximately 34 cents, starting at $90.85. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.